Hello and welcome to this beautiful Ranger Tugs R-29S 2015, offered for sale by Vancouver Yacht Sales by United City Yachts, Canada's yacht sales network. This is a 360-degree virtual tour, so you don't have to look at me. You can use your finger or your mouse to scroll left and right, up and down, and even zoom in and out. These boats come impressively equipped from the factory, and this particular model has been further equipped and offers a very impressive inventory. I'll give you a little taste of that stuff. Starting here, we've got the first TV with DVD, Blu-ray, TrackVision satellite TV, Fusion stereo with speakers on the bow, the interior, and in the cockpit. Also have a satellite phone for extra security, and a wine cooler. Looking forward, we have the master stateroom, large, comfortable berth, and you have an ensuite here with electric toilet, vessel sink, and shower. Notice this translucent panel for the ceiling lets in lots of natural light, keep things nice and airy. Moving aft, speaking of lots of light, see these atrium windows looking up. Again, bringing in tons of natural light, very nice feature that these R29s offer. Moving over to the helm here, all the modern electronics you'd expect, including Garmin chart plotter with radar and AIS, autopilot, VHF, even a bow and stern thruster with wireless remote. You can also raise and lower the anchor here from the helm, making operating as easy as possible. Once you arrive at your destination, time to relax. Helm seat converts very easily like that. And you have the nice dinette here. Similarly, time to make some food. This helm passenger seat flips forward, giving you lots of counter space for preparing food. You have a microwave, refrigerator, stainless steel sink, 2-burner gas stove with oven. Moving a little further back, this dinette will drop down and convert to a double berth, and this bench seat flips up to reveal the midship stateroom. You can sleep 2 more in there, Pro Mariner, battery charger inverter, battery monitor, Webasto forced air diesel furnace, and your whole AC panel tucked away under there. Nice hot day like today, perhaps you want to relax, cool things off. This whole glass bulkhead opens up to allow some fresh breezes to move through. There's a second TV here. This drops down, can face forward or swivel to face aft. You can also relay all the navigation instruments from the plotter and radar here. Very useful when you're at the second helm, controlling the 25 horsepower Yamaha kicker on the back. Great for fishing and trolling. You also have a second refrigerator, Magma barbecue, large custom cooler, great for, again, fishing or lots of beverages. Underneath this electric engine hatch reveals the Volvo Penta D4 260 diesel inboard. Low hours at around 550, been professionally maintained. Again, this boat is impressively equipped. Please see all the details on the listing. Feel free to get in touch with me, Sam, anytime by phone or email. Happy to set up a private showing if you'd like to come check the boat out in person. Thanks so much.